I've got a second manager's school monitoring tool. This is a set of questions that I'll be asking the principal, the curriculum manager, and also the head of departments regarding matters of curriculum delivery and coverage and monitoring as well. Okay, Mr. Mkize, are you monitoring your school's curriculum coverage by subject or by phase?
So here's my curriculum management supervision plan that I'm using, to supervise curriculum because it's my job to do that.
Oh,
You can have a look, sir.
Thank you very much. Oh, I can see here you have done it according to terms.
Yes. Mrs. Mayor is the one who's responsible for the curriculum.
So then Mrs. Mayor would supervise.
You know what I'm doing to Mrs. Mayor is what she's doing to the HODs.
Oh, that's great.
Who are called now departmental heads.
HODs supervise curriculum coverage and also the principal as the responsible person at school. Having started using this tool, I've noticed a great improvement in the relationships that I have with the principals because I've realized that they've gained confidence in me as a circuit manager because most of the things that I've come to do in schools are developmental as opposed to being judgmental. I'm not here to find faults, but using this tool, I'm able to establish where the principals are good at, where they are lacking, and try and help them in instances where they need help, more particularly in curriculum management and also in general management of the school. When I use this tool, the responses should always be accompanied by evidence because it's not just a mission where you are asking questions and a principal or a deputy principal or curriculum manager would respond, but they always have to produce evidence on paper as a way of ensuring that what they're talking about has actually been effected practically in class.
Jigimfundo tool is a tool that was designed by Jigimfundo. It's a very good tool, well-structured tool, because I know exactly what to do, when to do, and how to do it. It tells about the curriculum management and supervision, whether I do have a curriculum management and supervision plan. Jigimfundo tool also helps me especially when the circuit manager comes for a visit. It has changed. Our relationship now is very good, simply because we know exactly when the circuit manager will pay me a visit. And it gives me, enough time just to prepare what will be asked by the circuit manager. Because before, they used just to come to our schools without any, warning, any announced visit. You'll just see the circuit manager just popping in your school without any preparation being done by the principal. But today, we're given the time that the circuit manager will come on such a date, so you have to prepare yourself that the manager will come and check whether you are using the tool accordingly or not.